Welcome to another episode of Saturday Night News. I'm your host Gagan Singh. Let's take a look back at what has been happening this week. MyFitnessPal has recently been hacked. The hackers have taken over 150 million user accounts and passwords. The hackers have a sharp memory and are really organized, and they can remember all 150 million passwords, while most of us struggle to remember just 2. Britain is just about to bring their plastic bottle schemes. That means if you go to buy one of these, you'll have to leave a deposit which you get back when you return these. The turtles in the sea can now extend their life by a few years without using any plastic surgery. In another news, Pope has come forward and said hell doesn't exist. That means anyone who is waiting to go to hell has now been asked to book their nearest Airbnb and keep their receipts until further notice. And you could be eligible for up to £500 if Facebook used your data in the recent election. There's no need to call anyone. Facebook can just use the information they have about you from Cambridge Analytica. And that's it for this week from your host Gagan Singh. This is Saturday Night News. Enjoy your Easter.